Pibasig mo tingog ang chat.
I'm trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you running next to me.
You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? I need our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights, you turn out the lights now. I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we caught in love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One was stupid love song I'll be singing. Oh. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave me my to borrow, but you just gave it away.
Can't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. No, I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down.
I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights now. I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we caught in love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing.
I'm at a payphone.
Hello everyone, I'm Demajel Mamili.
Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Joy Digman.
Hello. I'm elaika.
Hi to my co-Filipino majors there in University of Mindanao. Hi guys!
Hello, Joby.
This song is for you! Shashe!
Hello.
Hope you like our video.
Yes
Hello,
guys!
lahat.
Hi Kat, Jessa,
Tisilon!
Joby, hello.
Sheen.
Miss Salon, hello.
Nitos!
hi guys!
I'm trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm